Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. Now I'm just in a sec. I'm just going to talk about a new funnel that I've put together for the members of my team. Now, this video is about SecondSplash, which is a company we recently got involved in, and I've got funnels out here for the team. This is a platform that I've been able to viralize my leads and generate signups, and also allow me to promote all my businesses in one place. I've also earned over $1,000 in commissions and recruited over 100 people in the last few weeks of joining this program. It gives me a lot of hits. I can create splash pages using this tool. But the powerful thing about this is it's generating commissions for me because it has a very unique compensation plan that has a very viral aspect to it. That's basically flooding me with commissions and signups. So guys, I'm making it very easy for for the team to be able to recruit people into this, but with this viral aspect that's built in to the compensation plan, which is what we call a 2-up viral recruiting system. Things are very easy. Newbies are going to be able to generate commissions. And also generate leads for their various businesses that they may or may not be promoting. Now, if you're not currently involved in an online business at the moment, you can promote this directly and make up to 50% commissions. So this is the funnel that I use, and it's got leads built in, so where you can get the share codes as you come through. It's got two lead capture pages. This is one lead capture page. This is another lead capture page with an animated GIF on the main screen. This particular lead capture page is a video of me presenting the system, and they get redirected to the page where they get set up with the SecondSplash. So SecondSplash, yes, is a very powerful system. It's a great tool, if you're promoting businesses of various kinds. But even if you're not promoting a business, if you don't have multiple streams of income, or if you're not promoting any other business, it's still a great internal business that allows you to generate up to 50% commissions. And a lot of the members are in fact generating great commissions by just simply promoting this business, I myself included. And so it's a very simple program, very easy to set up. It's software. Allows you to create splash pages. It's got a very easy point and click. Just select a background image, put in the text, and then you can start promoting your various businesses using this platform. And also, these splash pages have a very viral, unique way of allowing your splash pages to be hosted onto your downline's splash pages, so that everyone is helping you to generate leads and commissions. So it's a very win-win situation. I'm also using a very unique aspect to this that also allows me to send recruits to be signed up underneath members who are struggling to get their two qualifying referrals. What does that mean? It means that everyone is required to pass up two to their sponsor. This is very viral, but some people struggle in building generating signups. So I'm filling in the gaps with the team, helping the members of my team to generate signups. This is really powerful. So anyway, just thought I'd let you guys know that we've got a brand new funnel here, a brand new lead capture page that you can get access to if you just come through on the link below. And then on the second page, you'll be able to go through and see the share codes on this page. And anyway, you'll be able to get set up properly with this, because we've got a Leads Leap tutorial. And then you can also join Mega Marketing Pro, which is a free marketing system. This is the system that I created. And also in here, we've also got SecondSplash built into the Mega Marketing Pro. So, you're getting everything in one, big, powerful box of, tools. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was useful. Hope you're enjoying your weekend. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.